Hello guys, welcome back. I hope that you are doing great today. Today we are going to do present continuous tense. As you know that in the previous lecture we have covered some of the present simple tense. If you haven't covered that video, so I want you to go and watch that lecture properly because without watching that lecture, this lesson would be difficult for you to understand and wouldn't make sense. So, without wasting time, let's get started. In present continuous tense, remember that we use verb plus raha, rahi, and rahe. He is reading a book. वो किताब पढ़ रहा है. Remember that when we were doing he read a book, it was वो किताब पढ़ता है. But here we are talking about a present situation, something that is going right now. So we will say वो किताब पढ़ रहा है. For a male, we always use raha. Now, second sentence, she is going to school. She is wo, school is school, go is cha, ja. And here it would be rahi hai. Like in the present simple tense, it was wo school jati hai. Here it would be wo school ja rahi hai. For a female. Third sentence, we are playing. We. For we, remember we use hum. Yes, hum. Not hum, it's hum. Play was खेल and here it would be रहे. हम खेल रहे हैं. Like in the present simple tense, we add हम खेलते हैं. But here it would be हम खेल रहे हैं. HY. रहे. Okay. हम खेल रहे हैं. Same as the addition of n. What is it? It's telling us about the plural situation. हम खेल रहे हैं. Fourth, I am driving a car. I was मैं, car was गाड़ी, drive was चला. Now, if you are a girl, it's रही. If you are a boy, it's रहा. And as you remember that we end the I situation with who, not hun. It's who. मैं गाड़ी चला रही हूँ. मैं गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ. It's present tense, present continuous tense. Raha rahi shows that we are talking about something that is going right now. Like someone calls you when you are driving a car. You will say मैं गाड़ी चला रही हूँ if you are a girl. Or मैं गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ. Now the fifth sentence. They are speaking Urdu. You will say, as you know that they was wo, same as he or she. He or she was also wo. They is also wo. Wo Urdu speak is bol, and for present continuous tense it was रहे. वो उर्दू बोल रहे हैं. वो उर्दू बोल रहे हैं. Not hen, it's हैं. वो उर्दू बोल रहे हैं. Awesome, you are doing great. Now let's practice. Now here I have add some of the words that are totally new, some of the sentences that are totally new for it. But now I hope that you have start making some of the structuring, so you will get these sentences. So I am reading a book. Let's try this one. You know what is book, you know what is read. You just need to do the sentence, fit the sentence in the continuous situation. I am reading a book. I is मैं, read is पढ़, and as you know that it's ing here, we are talking about continuous sentence, then it would be रहा or रही. I am a girl, so I will say रही. मैं किताब पढ़ रही हूँ. मैं किताब पढ़ रही हूँ. Book is किताब. मैं किताब पढ़ रही हूँ. Now let's see. Here you can see some of the words are colored or highlighted in green, dark green. So I want you to write down this vocabulary in your copy And let's start. She is writing a book. Now, write is lick, lick in Urdu. Lick, not leak, it's lick. Okay, so वो किताब लिख रही है. ing shows that we are talking about continuous situation. वो किताब लिख रही है. If it was a present simple tense situation, like she write a book, it would be वो किताब लिखती है. We will add ta or ti with it. If he is writing a book, it would be वो किताब लिख रहा है. Okay, so we are reading a book. हम किताब पढ़ रहे हैं. For read, it was पढ़. And as you know that with we situation, we add रहे. हम किताब पढ़ रहे हैं. If it was present simple tense, like we read a book, it would be हम किताब पढ़ते हैं. But here it would be हम किताब पढ़ रहे हैं. We are talking about continuous. Now, they are purchasing a book. For purchase, it's a word खरीद. खरीद. So, वो किताब खरीद रहे हैं. रहे हैं. Same in the we situation. रहे हैं. वो किताब खरीद रहे हैं. हम किताब खरीद रहे हैं. We are purchasing a book. It would be हम किताब खरीद रहे हैं. She is purchasing a book. वो किताब खरीद रही है. He is lending me this book. Now this one is important. Like lending is कर्ज देना in Urdu. कर्ज देना. कर्ज. कर्ज. Okay, not cars, it's कर्ज. कर्ज देना. Now, for this we use the word ये. ये. वो ये किताब. Now you can see that he is वो. This book is ये किताब. Me here would become मुझे. When the me comes in, it's मुझे. वो ये किताब मुझे कर्ज दे रहा है. Here it's not वो ये किताब मुझे कर्ज देना रहा है. It's दे रहा है. Okay. देना रहा would not make sense. Okay. वो ये किताब मुझे कर्ज दे रहा है. Very good. Now let's practice the second sentence. I am going to a salon. I want you to try this one. Salon is salon in Urdu. Yes. So I am going to salon would be मैं salon जा रहा हूँ और रही हूँ. She is going to airport. वो airport जा रही है. He is going to airport. वो airport जा रहा है. We are going to airport. We are going to school. हम school जा रहे हैं. They are going to the market. So market is bazaar. 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 वो बाजार जा रहे हैं. वो बाजार जा रहे हैं. It's not bazaar, it's bazaar. Okay, put the pressure on the A. Bazaar. वो बाजार जा रहे हैं. Otherwise, you can also use the word market. People will understand here. But it's good that you know the word बाजार. वो बाजार जा रहे हैं. मैं बाजार जा रही हूँ. She is going to the market. वो बाजार जा रही है. He is going to office. वो ऑफिस जा रहा है. Okay. If it was a present simple tense, like he goes to office, it would be वो office जाता है. But here we are talking about continuous situation. It would be वो office जा रहा है. Superb. Next, practice number 3 is we are playing. I know that till now you know this word. Play is practice this sentence. We are playing. Memorize what was play in Urdu. Play was खेल. Yes, खेल. So we are playing is हम खेल रहे हैं. हम खेल रहे हैं. They are fighting. वो लड़ रहे हैं. For word fight, it is लड़. लड़, not लार, it's लड़. वो लड़ रहे हैं. She is playing. वो खेल रही है. I am crying. For crying, it's a word ro. Ro. Like you put the pressure on O. Ro. It's not ru, it's ro. मैं रो रहा हूँ. If you are a boy, मैं रो रही हूँ. I'm a girl, I'll say it like this. She is crying. वो रो रही है. We are crying. हम रो रहे हैं. They are crying. वो रो रहे हैं. Now, he is sleeping. वो सो रहा है. Like sleep is so. Not सो, it's so. वो सो रहा है. I am sleeping. मैं सो रहा हूँ. They are sleeping. वो सो रहे हैं. We are sleeping. हम सो रहे हैं. She is sleeping. वो सो रही है. I hope that you get these sentences. Now let's practice another one. We are buying a car. Now this one is also a new word in our vocabulary, buying. But remember that buying is same as the purchasing. Purchasing and buying, we use the one word for both of them. So practice it. We are buying a car. You know what is car in Urdu. We have already practiced this one. So we are buying a car. Buy is खरीद. खरीद. हम गाड़ी खरीद रहे हैं. They are parking car. Like now you are in some restaurant or you are at home and someone asks you where are they, you will answer them that they are parking car. So it would be वो गाड़ी park कर रहे हैं. With park we use this word कर. Park कर. Like in the case of exercise in the previous lecture, we use exercise कर. वो exercise करती है. वो exercise करता है. So here it would be park कर. वो गाड़ी पार्क कर रहे हैं. Okay, remember this car. He is driving a car. वो गाड़ी चला रहा है. I am washing my car. Like wash, for word wash, it's धो. धो. Okay, not धो, it's धो. मैं अपनी गाड़ी धो रहा हूँ. Now here I have give you a little overview of this important thing, that my car would be मेरी गाड़ी. Because car is identified as a girl in Urdu. As you know that car is something the boys love. So you got an idea that car is a girl in Urdu. Okay. So it would be meri gadi. The boy will also say meri gadi. Apni gadi, meri gadi. Okay. But in this sentence, my car would be meri gadi. A boy would say मैं अपनी गाड़ी धो रहा हूँ. Okay. So मैं अपनी गाड़ी को धो रहा हूँ. I am washing my car. Here would be मैं अपनी गाड़ी धो रहा हूँ. अपनी shows that it's your car. You are washing your car. मैं अपनी गाड़ी धो रहा हूँ. A girl will say मैं अपनी गाड़ी धो रही हूँ. Okay. It would be अपनी, not अपना. Okay. I hope that you got this one. Now, practice number 5. We are speaking Urdu. Try it. You know it. What is speak in Urdu? What is read in Urdu? You even know this one. You also know that what is speak in Urdu. And you know about write and learning too. Like you know this one. Not the learning one, we haven't done it. But other than this, you know every sentence here. You have 20 seconds. Try it by yourself. Okay, so we are speaking Urdu is हम उर्दू बोल रहे हैं. They are reading Urdu. Read is पढ़. You know that. वो उर्दू पढ़ रहे हैं. She is speaking Urdu. वो उर्दू बोल रही है. I am writing Urdu. मैं उर्दू लिख रही हूँ. मैं उर्दू लिख रहा हूँ. He is learning Urdu. Learn is सीख. वो उर्दू सीख रहा है. She is learning Urdu. वो उर्दू सीख रही है. Remember that learn is सीख. Seek. Yes, seek. Write down this one. Learn is seek. वो उर्दू सीख रही है. We are learning Urdu. हम उर्दू सीख रहे हैं. They are learning Urdu. वो उर्दू सीख रहे हैं. Okay. So now let's practice the you situation. As you know that I have told you that these was the little confusive, like you situation in terms of boy in the previous lecture. It was little confusive there too. So here I want you to remember that it's same as that. Like you are singing well for a boy, it would be aap acha ga rahe ho. We know that well is acha, you is aap, sing is ga. Now here it won't be raha, it would be rahe. Raha is like aap acha ga raha ho is not a sentence in Urdu. It would be aap acha ga rahe ho. Okay, so remember this one. So we are dancing well. Here, these are also the new words: dancing, singing. Yeah, these two are the new words. But other than that, writing, reading, and is some words that you know. So practice them by yourself. Okay, so we are dancing well. You can see in the green, it's dance. For the word dance, it's dance kar. Okay, dance kar. Write this one in your copy. It's dance kar. हम अच्छा डांस कर रहे हैं. It's रहे with it. Okay. You are singing well and you are saying it to a girl. It would be आप अच्छा गा रही हो. She is writing well. Write is लिख in Urdu. लिख. वो अच्छा लिख रही है. I am reading well. मैं अच्छा पढ़ रही हूँ. If you are a boy, you will say मैं अच्छा पढ़ रहा हूँ. You are writing well. आप अच्छा लिख रहे हो. He is dancing well. वो अच्छा डांस कर रहा है. They are dancing well. वो अच्छा डांस कर रहे हैं. We are dancing well. हम अच्छा डांस कर रहे हैं. She is dancing well. वो अच्छा डांस कर रही है. So I hope that you will get these sentences too. Now you are exercising every day and you are saying it to a girl. You know that आप रोजाना exercise कर रही हो. आप रोजाना exercise कर रही हो. और you can also say आप exercise रोजाना कर रही हो. It's your choice. I have told you in the previous two. So with exercise, it was exercise kar. We know that. Okay. So let's practice this one. You are exercise every day. You know that. आप रोजाना exercise कर रही हो. Now there are some new words too. So let's see them. We are working every day. With work, it also काम कर. काम कर. Write this one in your copy. Work is काम कर. So we are working every day. हम रोजाना काम कर रहे हैं. They are exercising every day. वो रोजाना exercise कर रहे हैं. I am exercising every day. मैं रोजाना exercise कर रहा हूँ और कर रही हूँ. Your choice. If you're a girl, it would be रही. So you are learning every day. We know that learn is सीख in Urdu. सीख. So it would be आप रोजाना सीख रहे हो. Or if you have to say that you are learning Urdu every day, it would be आप रोजाना उर्दू सीख रहे हो. Okay, सीख. शी इज रीडिंग एवरी डे, वो रोजाना पढ़ रही है. I'm saying it again and again to give the proper attention towards the you situation of the boy. It was सीख रहे हो, okay, not रहा हो. आप रोजाना उर्दू सीख रहे हो और आप रोजाना सीख रहे हो. If you have to say that you are exercising every day, it would be आप रोजाना exercise कर रहे हो, okay, not रहा हो in terms of boy. Now, please see, overview this table. It's important one. Like here, it has shown every situation. Like in the first one, it is I am calling you. As we know, I is मैं. But when and for you, we say आप or तुम. But when you comes in the sentence, like not in the first. Now you can see that you is coming between the sentence or at the end of the sentence. It would become आपको और तुम्हें. Okay, write this one too. This table is really important, so I want you to take the screenshot of it to remember. Okay, so now if you have to say that I am calling you, it would be मैं आपको कॉल कर रहा हूँ. If you're a boy, you will say मैं आपको कॉल कर रहा हूँ. If you are a girl, you will say मैं आपको कॉल कर रही हूँ. Okay, remember this one. I didn't write it, so it would be मैं आपको कॉल कर रही हूँ. You are calling me. Now you is आप. You become आप again because it's coming in the first, and me would become मुझे. Okay, so it would be आप मुझे कॉल कर रहे हो. You are calling me. आप मुझे कॉल कर रहे हो. If you are saying this sentence to a boy, then it would be आप मुझे कॉल कर रहे हो. You know that. If you are saying this sentence to a girl, it would be आप मुझे कॉल कर रही हो. Okay? So remember these things. I am calling them. Now, them is उन्हें. I is मैं उन्हें कॉल कर रही हूँ. Okay? And remember we end the I situation with who. So it would be little n. मैं उन्हें कॉल कर रही हूँ. They are calling us. The whole situation change. They are calling us now. So it would be वो हमें कॉल कर रहे हैं. Okay. Like here you can see that it's also call कर. I want you to write this one in your paper. It's call कर. Okay. Calling or call would be call कर. मैं आपको कॉल कर रही हूँ और वो हमें कॉल कर रहे हैं. Okay. So us is हमें. Now let's look at this review. मैं उर्दू सीख रहा रही हूँ. I am learning Urdu. Okay, learn is सीख. They are buying a car. वो गाड़ी खरीद रहे हैं. Car is गाड़ी. They are buying a car. Buying is खरीद रहे. Okay, so वो गाड़ी खरीद रहे हैं. I am calling you. Here I is मैं, you is आपको. Not आप. मैं आप कॉल कर रहा doesn't make sense. It would be मैं आपको कॉल कर रहा हूँ और मैं आपको कॉल कर रही हूँ. I'll say I'm a girl. I'll say मैं आपको कॉल कर रही हूँ. If you are a boy, you will say मैं आपको कॉल कर रहा हूँ. Okay. They are fighting. वो लड़ रहे हैं. वो लड़ रहे हैं. Okay. You are writing well. You are saying this sentence to a boy. Then it would be आप अच्छा लिख रहे हो. लिख is for write. Well is अच्छा. We are going to the market. हम बाजार जा रहे हैं. Okay, हम बाजार जा रहे हैं. It's बाजार. Go is जा. Okay. Uh, they are lending me this book. It would be वो ये किताब. This book is ये किताब. वो is for they. मुझे like मुझे is for me. कर्ज दे रहे हैं. Actually, here is a little problem. I didn't add the n with है. As you know that we are talking about the plural situation. वो. So वो ये किताब मुझे दे रहा है means you are talking about he or she. But if it would be N here, it would be they are giving me this book or they are lending me this book. But as there is no N here, then it would be he or she here. As it's Raha here, so it shows that he is lending me this book. So वो ये किताब मुझे कर्ज दे रहा है. He is lending me this book. वो ये किताब मुझे कर्ज दे रहा है. So मैं अपनी गाड़ी धो रहा हूँ. I am washing my car. Okay. मैं अपनी गाड़ी धो रहा हूँ. A boy will say मैं अपनी गाड़ी धो रहा हूँ. A girl will say मैं अपनी गाड़ी धो रही हूँ. Okay. मैं रोजाना काम कर रहा हूँ. I am working every day. A boy will say this sentence. मैं रोजाना काम कर रहा हूँ. Girl will say कर रही हूँ. काम कर. Remember about the काम कर is for work and रोजाना is for daily or every day. Okay. Every day or daily represent रोजाना. हम अच्छा डांस कर रहे हैं. Dance. Remember that with dance it's कर. Well is अच्छा. हम अच्छा डांस कर रहे हैं. Okay. So I hope that you got the today's lecture and you learned from it today. I tried to make it with the new sentences, add the new words in it so that it wouldn't bore you. So inshallah, we'll meet in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Take care.